Hello guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video, I'm going to show how to get macOS Tahoe running on your Mac by just using a few commands in Terminal. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now, let's begin. You may have a question about why not to get macOS Tahoe on UTM. Tart and UTM are both tools for running macOS virtual machines, VMs, including macOS 26 Beta on Apple Silicon Macs and Intel Macs for UTM. They cater to different use cases, with Tart being a lightweight command-line-driven tool and UTM offering a more user-friendly GUI experience. To run macOS Tahoe 26, the latest macOS version announced at WWDC 2025, as a virtual machine, VM, using Tart on an Apple Silicon Mac, you'll need an Apple Silicon Mac with 40 gigabytes of free disk space and a good internet connection. Now, if you don't have Homebrew, install it first. Install Homebrew by just executing the following command in the terminal. Tart is installed via Homebrew. After Homebrew is installed, run these commands in your terminal to add Homebrew to your path. After you're done with Homebrew, execute the following command to install Tart via Homebrew. After Tart is installed, clone the macOS Tahoe 26 Beta image by executing the following command. Cloning the Tahoe image will take approximately 30 gigabytes of internet data and will take a while. The process time depends on your internet speed. After cloning is done, just run the virtual machine by executing the following command. The VM will boot into a windowed macOS Tahoe 26 Beta environment. Performance is generally good on Apple Silicon Macs. And finally, macOS Tahoe Desktop is here. And you can see, macOS Tahoe is successfully running. This is a full macOS Tahoe installation, with access to the internet, the ability to install system software updates as usual, and if you sign in with an Apple ID, you can use all the typical Apple services inside the virtual machine as well, with few exceptions. This makes VMs really useful for testing and development, since it's basically a virtual Mac, and whatever you do inside the VM won't impact the host computer. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.